Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracy back from Matley House. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today, I've got a review for FitVille. Boink, that was up here. Now, I'd not heard of this company before they contacted me. So I went and had a look on their website to see what sort of products they do, whether the products would work for me personally, whether I thought that maybe the product would work for any of you guys. And I thought, yes, there was definitely a few products that I thought would work for me personally. So now, I haven't looked at the box yet. All I've done is take it out of the bag that it came in. So we're going to do that together. So we'll go up top. Hopefully I've lined it up okay. And have a look-see. Okay, here we go. The box. So it came out of this bag. Let's have a look-see. Oh, I hope they're good. Let's open them out. Okay. They feel good. So there's the logo for FitVille. They look like they got nice heel support. Now, when they asked me to pick a product on their website, I went looking for really wide feet because I've got really wide feet, and these are 4E wide, and I've also got plantar fasciitis. So heel support was important for me. Now these are supposed to cover that and many other things. What is that? Do you think that's supposed to be there? Or is that a boo-boo? I don't know. I've no idea. So, okay. Let's take the box away. Liberate your toes. That's what it is, and that's the product there. Hopefully that's got that nice and clear. And they're basically FitVille Rebound Core version 1. These are. They're pink and they're extra wide. Now in the US they're size 8, and in the UK I've done 5.5, which is bang on my size. So we'll see. Right, let's put that aside. They look pretty good. Okay. Right. Let's get these puppies on and give them a try, and we'll get back round to the front. Okay, just put them on. They actually fit perfectly, and they do feel good on the heel. So I'm going to wear these for the day and then report back. See you later. Okay, so I've got the trainers on now, and I've had them on for about an hour, which for me, that's pretty good. I'm a slipper girl because I'm in the house quite a lot, but I've got Skechers that I normally wear, to be honest, but I must say these are more comfier than them, because these are 4E wide, because the trainers that I chose, let me read it up. I chose the Women's Rebound Core Walking Shoes version 1. I chose it in a pink, and it's a US size 8 or a UK size 5.5, and they've got 4E wide fitting. Now, I went for these ones in particular because of the 4E wide fitting, so my toes have got plenty of room, and I can splay my toes in these trainers, which is really good. But also the instep seems to be a little bit more forgiving, so it must be a bit higher because I've got quite chunky feet as well as wide. I'm loving them so far, but I've only had them on about an hour. So we'll see how that goes, eh? But I plan to keep them on all day, and then at the end of the day, let you know how I got on. But I'm really liking them at the moment. So far, so good, as far as I can tell. Now, I know they've got shock absorbing pads in the heels and stuff, because that's why I went for them, because of the plantar fasciitis. Is like you get really painful heels, etc. And it can feel like you're walking on glass, which is awful. And I've bought from some heel-in shoes to go in my other trainers that I've got. But these are built in. So, and they feel really good at the way that they're really built in. And you can feel the fact that they're built in. That's what I'm trying to say. And I like that. So far, so good. I keep looking at them. I mean, I looked on their site again this morning and I'd only had them on about 20 minutes. And there was a bright pink pair like my chair. And I thought, oh, I look like the really cerise bright pink pair. But so far, I'm loving it. My toes are loving it. I'll tell you that now. They feel good. So I'll cut back in at the end of the day and I'll let you know how I've got on. Hi. Okay, I'm back. I've had them on, these little puppies on all day. Yeah, they're a little bit warm. Keep them away from the nose. They were really good. They were really good. They were so nice and wide. I mean, yeah, I've ordered size 4E, so that's why they're so nice and wide here. But for me, it wasn't just here around that bit. It was this bit as well. That felt like it gave more room too. And the heel was comfortable and the base was comfortable. Yeah, in fact, I was looking on their site and they do slip-ons as well. And I thought, because I don't really do up my laces. I'm a bit of a lazy girl. I've never really done the laces up. I tend to sort of tie them up and just leave them inside. But they do slip-ons. So I'm definitely going to be looking at slip-ons for sure. And I really loved those cerise pink looking walking shoes as well. But I loved them too. So these are a big tick for me personally, because the 4E, I mean, when I go looking for shoes that are 4E wide, generally you have to be maybe 80 years of age to like that style that they're producing. So there isn't really many for slightly younger people out there that appeals. And these appeal. I'd love to have just regular, like court shoes and stuff like that as well. And I'd love regular slippers. Now, I know they do slippers, which I wouldn't mind trying. But I've got to do these one at a time. For me personally, I think I'm going to try the slip-ons. So they're going to be going in my list, I reckon. But yeah, these are good. Now, it's not just plantar fasciitis that they cover. It is, let me have a read so I can do it properly. They do back and knee pain, heel spurs, any foot injury, most foot injuries, rheumatoid arthritis, lymphoedema, hammer toes, plantar fasciitis, bunions, diabetes shoes, flat feet, neuropathy, wide feet, extra wide feet, and going right up to 6E wide feet. 6E. Nice. Like it. And of course, I chose 4E with the plantar fasciitis heel. Nice. Now, Down below, I've put a little bit of info about the company that I saw, just to show you who they are and where they started from. And also, they gave me a coupon for you to use, and it will give you 28% off if you use HN28. So capital H, capital N, 28. If you use that code on their site, it should give you 28% off as well. And I've also left a link down below so that you can go direct to them. Now, I know they're a global company, so it should cover, I think, most of you guys out there, I'd have thought. But let me know how you get on with them, because they're a thumbs up from me. Thank you, FitVille, for sending me these. And hey, yeah, keep me on tap. I'd like to try some slip-ons next, please. All right. Until next time, take care and look after yourself. Bye.